Hey tribe, Dawna here from Transformational Healing, and today we are going to talk about the energies of Mabon, the fall equinox of the 8 Sabbats of the Wheel of the Year. Mabon is all about harvest home and homecoming and gathering. It's our time to gather crops. It's about harvest. It is the second of the 3 harvest celebrations on the Wheel of the Year. And during this harvest time is when we think about apples and pumpkins and apple spice and pumpkin pie. So it's a time of gathering everything that we have that is vibrant and coming up in our gardens. It's time to get that tomato sauce made and get all of those things stored and put away that are in our gardens. But you also have to think about your spiritual garden. What memories and things are you saving? What are you doing to stock up your spiritual and sunshine inside of yourself so that you can get through the winter in a spiritual way as well, so that you can have sunshine in the middle of winter inside of you? So think about the things that you need to gather for yourself now, your herbs and your oils and your other things that you can get out there and do some last minute harvesting of herbs, or just making sure that you've picked up all the things that you need before the cycle starts again. So during that fall time, it's a time to prepare for the winter. What do you need to do to prepare yourself for the winter? What last minute gatherings are you having in the fall to celebrate with friends and to be out camping before you can't be outside in nature all the time without being cold? Or if you're in the southern hemisphere, you happen to be getting ready to celebrate spring and Ostara. So I hope that you are going to be enjoying a bunch of those spring flowers that are coming into bloom. But up here in the Northeast, we are of the United States, we are getting ready for the colors and changing. A lot of the leaves are already changing. There are colors everywhere. So when we think about fall and Mabon, we really do think about apple picking and corn mazes and Oktoberfest and Renaissance festivals, and all of that sort of energy is all about gathering, right? So it's about gathering with friends, it's about gathering with community, and doing that in whichever way you can safely do that. To get together with people is an amazing way to store up that spiritual energy for yourself for the winter time. And we also want to make sure that we stock up those shelves. So with food as well as other things to be prepared for the winter. One of the things would have been making sure you have enough wood to heat your home through the winter. Some people still do that. They heat with wood. And so harvest means different things to different people, but it is all about celebration. It's about feasting. It's about thankfulness, gratefulness. And that's why Thanksgiving is during this time, harvesting is during this time, and our gatherings are during this time. For some, it's the end of the cycle. It's the end of the year, and it's a time of reflection and a time of looking back with Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur. And there are other celebrations throughout the world that celebrate the fall equinox in different ways. It's about the light and the dark, and it's about balance. So what do you need to do to bring yourself back to balance? Try to understand what it is that you need to get yourself back into balance. Be mindful about things and which way is best for you to move right now. Only you really know that answer, but it might be hidden down deep inside. So if you need help with that, then give me a call or send me a message, because that is what I'm here for, is to help you. So we want to get back into balance mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and physically, because when we are balanced, we are at one, and we are in that higher energy vibration of what is going on. We are in alignment, so we are vibrating where we need to be. When we are off balance, we are out of alignment. And so the balance at the equinox is really, really important, because it teaches us how to stand in balance and how to be in balance. So allow yourself to gather, allow yourself to give whatever you can. See how that's a come and go? It's a mindset. It's thinking about things in a different way. And that's a lot of what we've been talking about over the last several weeks. And I'm hoping that you can enjoy those gatherings, enjoy what's going on. Send me a message if you need help, because I want you to be back in balance. I want you to be in balance not only with the equinox, with the light and the dark of the day. I want you to feel in balance mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and physically. So I hope that you've been enjoying all the videos that we've been putting up. If you need anything, send me a message, write a comment below, watch one of the other videos that are up. There are so many of them now. Many blessings, tribe. I'll see you real soon.